All right, it's Monday, September 16th. Just bought some SPY, 555 calls at 936. This is as you were getting the two up green bar on the 15-minute chart. Kind of got in right here, expecting it to take out the pre-market highs. It just did that. So now this is a key inflection point. Are we going to get choppiness all over the place where it kind of moves up, takes out stops, and then comes down? I kind of saw that the other day a little bit where it was making new highs, then coming down. But I also think that given this weekly bar from last week, we are expecting that weekly high to be taken out, and we have a kind of target right here at the 564 area. I'm trying to see what that high is. 565. So it seems like here we have room to kind of run up, to this area right here on the daily chart. And if we look at this, move today, even though it's going to pause here, I think at the pre-market highs, we have room to run all the way up here if this uptrend continues. So we're getting bar number two, setting the tone for the day to the upside. We'll see if this becomes the low of the day here. We'll see if we get a little pause and then maybe a push up. That's what I'm going to play, kind of taking out some of these highs that were in place earlier. So, going with the opening price action to the upside, again, expecting a pause here. This was, if you're going to buy, it's getting in right here above bar number one to take out that pre-market high. There's a little bit of a move here for profits, and hopefully it'll just have an orderly pause and continue higher to those higher time frame targets. So going with the buy side to the SPY, obviously the trend's been up. It's a little exhaustion risk day after day after day, but we did have a little bit of a pause here to build up some energy for another push up. So let's just go with that and see kind of what develops. As long as we hold the midpoint of that first bar, and the open of the week is right here. So these are some key levels to watch to see how the rest of the week goes. Obviously, I think the Fed is announcing interest rates this week, so that's going to be a volatile moment, later on. But to start out the week, price might want to follow through to the upside here as it's been doing, all week last week towards some of these highs, and then we'll see, what kind of continuation or choppiness might set in.